What's going on there, folks? Coming at you with a product review on the ring. So, don't typically wear a lot of rings, but the fact that this was a fidget ring got my attention. I use this thing all the time now. Very cool design, and literally keeps me occupied instead of twirling a pen or pretty much twirling a pen. I now am constantly messing around with this ring. I'm surprised I haven't worn the what do I want to call it? The anodized paint off of this ring because I use it so much. But very cool design. Very cool design. Fits well. This is a size 11, I believe, 11 millimeter, and it's taken some getting used to. I will say that, because you know having something on your ring, if you don't wear rings very often, it just takes some getting used to. So, but I'm glad I have it. Like I said, instead of flipping around a pen, I'm constantly playing with this thing. So, very cool ring.